Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and stop overheating MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So firstly, I'm going to start this video by asking you a question. Did you know you need to clean or service your laptop every year? If you didn't know, then you have to go ahead and contact your Apple store nearby and tell them to service your laptop. What they're going to do is simply go ahead and remove all the parts, clear if any dusts are going to be there. You can actually do it manually as well. However, if you go ahead and open the MacBook yourself, the coverage of warranty is going to fade. So if you just talk to the Apple store about it, they'll simply go ahead and dust it off. The other reason could be because of background applications running. So simply go ahead and head into your Apple icon right over here and click on System Settings. And now up here, simply go ahead and search for login, just like that. And there's going to be login items. Click on that. And now you want to simply go ahead and remove everything that is going to go ahead and start up on login right over here. Or you could also turn all of these things that are going to be running on the background, restart your PC one more time, and it should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.